you can see a page, a website page. There's a website named NoobTunes, and in that page you can see several links. So if I want to get these links, uh, I can use Python. So you can see noobstude.com /cpp. This link, I can use this link. I can use this link with the code. Here you can see I have already written the code. You can see I have taken the link here, that link, that page link, and I have imported two modules: regular expression array and the request module. So these two modules are imported. Array is a built-in module and request is something you need to install. So before looking at this part, you can look here that what happens here. You can see that there's a function here, get page HTML. This one I used to get the HTML, and there's this get links from it page, and here I can see I have given the HTML parameter, and after that it gives me the links, and the links are printed onto the console. So what happens in the function? In this, here you can see the get page HTML function. And here you can see I got I got a request with the request.get. I got a get requests. uh, I can make a get request, and here is the link where, and it returns the get.text, which is the HTML I wanted. I got the HTML, and then the next function, you can see that there is this link, get links from page. So you can give the HTML that you got from the get page HTML function. So, and here you can see that links equals array find all, and there's this regular expression, and then there's this HTML. So how do I describe it? So you can see that array.find all. With this you can you can check this HTML text or whatever, and see the similarities, see the things that has this type of pattern. uh, you can see that there's this uh, a href, things like this, and here you can see some regular expressions. uh, First bracket, dot, star, question mark. These are the regular expressions. You can see there's some patterns here. With this pattern, it will look at this HTML text file, and and it will get the links here, and give it to here, the links to here, and return it, and the links will be here, taken here. These two variables are different, obviously. I named them the same, but they're different. I can say something else. Anyway, you can give these links here and print here. Well, why did I use a href, or how does this pattern work? You can, if you go to the page and click on of these links. If I click the second one, and if you see this spec, and you can see that it says ahref, then there's this link, and things happen. So with this ahref quotation mark, and between them there is this link. This is what I am extracting, right? So this is what I'm getting. So if I run this file, uh, if I say python, you can see here I have executed or ran the file, python file, and in here you can see uh, an array with the links, with different links. You can see if you click one of those links, and if you go to the browser with this link, you should be able to visit that page. So yeah.